Duolingo rewards you with XP for every lesson, and stacking up those points quickly can boost your league rank and unlock special challenges. Want to skyrocket your XP in record time? In this video, I will show you how to earn more XP fast on Duolingo. The first thing you want to do is open the Duolingo app. Make sure to log into your account. Now you want to tap on the star icon on your home screen to claim any available XP boost. This doubles your XP for the next 30 minutes. Next thing you want to do is prioritize timed practice. For that, you can head over to practice. Then select timed. Now choose 2 or 5-minute drill. These short high-intensity sessions awards up to 50 XP each, depending on your accuracy. You also want to crank through stories and podcasts. You can open stories or podcast tabs and complete every available story for 10 to 15 XP apiece. Next way is to compete in leagues and events. Join the weekly leagues leaderboard. Higher tiers unlock bonus XP events where the top performers earn an extra 50 to 100 XP. Also look for time-limited events like weekend XP challenges under the events tab. And that's all it takes to supercharge your XP gains on Duolingo. If this video helped you, tap like, drop a comment and subscribe for more videos like this.